Hey guys. Alright, so going on to the next app here, it is Quick Announcement Bar. This is a really good app. It's 100% free. I recommend installing this the first day that you guys start your Shopify stores. So let's go ahead and see what it does. Let's go here. Okay, so this app, it's basically a banner that you place on top of your website. Let me go ahead and show you guys an example of one of the banners that I did. So you see, you can do these types of banners. These will just be the style. Oops, and I changed mine. But anyways, this was one of the banners that I used. So on Cyber Monday, we put Cyber Monday sale, 20% off coupon code, Cyber20. Use code, and then you can actually click on this link here, Black Friday, which let me see what that link took you to. Anyways, okay, yeah, it would just take you to the home page. Okay, so yeah, this is a really cool app too. You guys can also put up something like free shipping on on orders $50 and over. I've seen people use this app in many ways, but it's a really good app, especially because it's free. It literally just brings you free money because a lot of the people that go on, for example, on Cyber Monday, we got a whole mess of people using this code right here, this Black Friday code. So a lot of those people, maybe they wouldn't have bought if they didn't have this code. So it just adds something a little extra to your website. You can do a lot with it. There's also, check out all of this stuff here. So I think this is the one that we had, Cyber Monday. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, so this is probably the one that we ran. They have for everything. They have one for New Year, for Christmas, Thanksgiving. So you can basically have sales year round, right? So if you want to have just a random sale, you can just click here. I guess they have this one. This one looks nice. Just a sale, right? You can even change that a little bit right here, I think. See what that does. Just makes it clear. And you can type in anything here, put another discount code, or you can do like a 20% website sale daily. So it's really good. It's really good for special events, and even if you want to have it year round, so that it can increase your average order value. So what I mean by that is that it increases the amount of money that each order brings you. So if let's say you're selling something for $10, but you put here on your shipping bar that for orders over $15, they will get free shipping plus receive, I don't know, something else. It doesn't matter what they receive. Then a lot more people now, instead of ordering just one at $10, they're gonna say, oh, you know what? I'll order two for $20. That way I get the free shipping and whatever else they're giving out. So now your average order value is going up. So now we'll get into this a little bit more later, but now just by doing this little thing here, you can spend more money on acquiring the customer because now the customers are going to be spending more money on your website. So all of that can be achieved with this app here. It's called Quick Announcement Bar by HexTom. So I definitely recommend this app. As soon as you guys start your store, go ahead and download this app. It will definitely. I'm not gonna say pay for itself, or even though there are pricing plans here, but I've never paid for this. I'm on the free version right now. But wait, actually, let me see. Let's see the pricing plans. Oh no, I'm actually am paying for it. So I get all of these extra features, but guys, $5 a month, this app will pay for itself. You literally put up one of those offers that I just told you, and you guys will get this back within the first day, guaranteed of having this app up. So I definitely recommend this app. Let's go ahead and try to put in another app into this video here. Okay, so we can do Shipping Easy. So guys, Shipping Easy, I won't go into it. So Shipping Easy, as you guys know, we do a lot of drop shipping, but we decided to try out a US fulfillment house, and basically we gave them access to our store, and they went ahead and installed this app. So I've never gone into this app. I've never even clicked on it. It's just an app that they installed in order to see the orders that we're getting and in order for them to fulfill them. We're only doing it with one product. We're just testing it out. Our main thing is still drop shipping. It's what we like to do. Excuse me. And I'll throw in one more app into this video, Trackify. So Trackify, we are not currently using it. I didn't want to delete it, so because I know you guys saw it, and I didn't just how I did with the other app. Forgot what it was called, but I didn't want the PayPal one. So I didn't want to delete this app, but I'm gonna go ahead and delete it now because we really don't use it. It's just another way of putting the pixel on your store. But I mean, we've seen that it makes no difference whether you just put the pixel, how Laz taught you guys to put the pixel into your Shopify store, or if you use this app to put the pixel. And this app does cost $20, and everything that this app does, you can basically do on Facebook. So we're gonna go ahead and actually delete this app. We don't really use it. Other don't use it. Delete. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys. So in the next and I think last video of this module, I will be explaining Wheelio and Zipify one click upsell. All right, catch you guys in that one. Bye.